1. Purchase an adhesive sealant from a hardware store or online. Popular brands of adhesives that can be used in shoe repair include Shoe Goo, Liquid Nails, and Gorilla Glue. Read reviews of each product and purchase the one that fits your needs and budget. Using most adhesives will leave a clear or milky film wherever it dries. Adhesives can be used to fix holes in leather shoes, sneakers, and skate shoes. Shoe Goo comes in clear and black. 2. Remove the insole if you are repairing the sole of the shoe. Peel the insole out of the bottom of the shoe from the heel. If the insole is glued to the bottom of the shoe, leave it in the shoe while you repair it. Set the insole aside so that you can replace it later. 3. Apply duct tape over the hole on the inside of the shoe. Lay the sticky side of the duct tape down inside of the shoe and cover up the hole. The tape will give the adhesive filler something to stick to. Make sure the entire hole is covered. If you don't have duct tape, you can use electrical tape. 4. Squeeze the adhesive on top of the holes. Tilt the tube or bottle of glue over the hole and squeeze it so that the glue completely covers the hole. Ensure the hole is covered with the adhesive on the outside of the shoe or it won't create a watertight seal. It's normal for the glue to clump over the hole. Don't worry about getting the adhesive to look clean on the shoe during this application. 5. Spread the shoe glue over the holes in an even layer. The adhesive will be too sticky at first, so give it 1 to 2 minutes to dry so that it can partially harden. Once it hardens, use a wooden stick or your finger to spread the glue in an even layer on the outside of the shoe. Don't leave the stick or your finger in one spot for too long or it will get stuck to the glue. 6. Let the adhesive dry overnight. Give the adhesive enough time to fully dry and form a seal. The hole in your shoe should now be plugged up and waterproof. Press down on the adhesive to ensure that it is firmly attached to your shoe. If you don't give the adhesive enough time to dry, it will smear off the shoe. 7. Remove the duct tape and replace the insole. When you remove the tape, the adhesive should be flat on the inside of your shoe. If you were fixing a hole in the sole of the shoe, reinsert the insole before wearing them. If everything was done properly, the hole in your shoe should now be fixed.